Let us continue with exercise 3E. What's problem on pair of linear equations in two variables? Here we have question number 20. We have denominator, numerator, then we have to find a fraction. So as usual, let us denote numerator with x, denominator with y, then the fraction become x upon y. So let us see the condition. The denominator means y is equal 4, right? 4 more mean plus twice 2 numerator. So that means we will get y equal 4 plus 2x. Name it as equation 1. We cannot do anything. Let's see the second part. The second part they mention about numerator, denominator are decrease. Decrease means we minus by 6. Then at the same time the denominator will become 12 times the numerator. So we take in the fraction. What did we do in the fraction? We minus 6 from above, 6 from below, because they say decrease by 6. Okay, so when they touch both numerator and denominator, mean we have to consider the fraction. Then what happened to the fraction? The numerator remain as it is, that means it remain x. Then but the denominator, they say it become 12 times the numerator, so it will become 12x. So x here we can cancel, then we can cross multiply. 12 multiply this side, here 1, y minus 6 into 1. So 12 into x, 12x, 12 into 6, 72. We have y minus 6. So x and x we bring together, this plus bring this side become minus. Then 6 minus 4 equal minus 2, minus we bring this side become plus. So 12 minus 2, 10, 72 minus 2, we get 70. So x equals 7. Then we replace it here. 2 into 7, 14. 14 plus 4, we get 15. So that means the numerator is 7, denominator is 15. So the fraction become 7 by 18. We continue question number 21. A fraction. Again, we have numerator, denominator. We have to find a fraction. So again, let's take numerator to be x, denominator to be y. Then the fraction become x upon y. So let us see the condition. First part, a fraction is such that if the numerator, we take the numerator, we multiply it by 3. And we take the denominator, we reduce, mean we minus by 3. Then the whole fraction become 18 by 11. So we take the fraction x upon y, we multiply the numerator by 3. So 3 into x, denominator we minus it by 3. Then we get whole fraction 18, 11. So to arrange them to linear equation, let us cross multiply. 11 into 3, 33x, 18 into y, 18y, 18 into minus 3 will be minus 54. So x and y bring one side, this is plus become minus, then this one remain 54. So if you see all 3, we can divide by 3. So 3 into 11, 3 into 6, 3 into 18. Leave it as equation 1. Then we'll see the second part, what they say. If numerator, we take numerator x, we increase, that means we plus it 8. Then the denominator become double. Double means 2y. Then the whole fraction become 2 by 5. Okay, we increase numerator by 8, we double the denominator, the whole fraction become 2 by 5. So here also we can cross multiply. 5 into x, 5 into 8, 40. So 2 into 2, 4. So x and y we bring one side, then 40 we bring the other side there. So now we can equate them. Here we have 11, here we have 5. So we cross multiply to make them equal. Okay, 5 into 11, 5 into 6, 5 into 18. We get this one. Then we take 11, we multiply equation 2. 11 into 5, 11 into 4, 11 into 40. We get this one. So both sign are plus, we subtract. So minus into plus minus, minus to minus plus, minus to minus become plus. So 55, 0. 44 minus 30, we get 14. 440 minus 90, we get 350. So y will be 350 by 14. We divide it, we get 25. So to get x now, we replace y 25. We replace it here. So it will be 6 into 25, which is equal to 1450. This is minus, take that side become plus. So if we 1 minus 1 plus, we have to minus, we get 132. So x equal 132 by 11, 12. So the fraction become 12 by 25. Then next, the last question, number 22. Again, we have numerator, denominator, we have to find the fraction. So again, we take numerator to be x, denominator to be y. The fraction, we take it as x upon y. Then now what we do? We plus sum, mean we plus numerator and denominator. So x plus y. Then become equal, the fraction become equal 3 less than twice the denominator. So twice mean 2 the denominator, less mean we minus 3. Okay, when we plus numerator and denominator, then it will be equal, because they say is twice numerator less 3 mean minus 3. So x and y we can separate. Y we bring this side. So 2y minus 1y, y. Here no number, here there is alphabet y, here only number. We cannot minus, leave it like that. Let's take the second portion, what they say. If the numerator and denominator are increased by 1, we take the fraction, we add 1 to numerator, we add 1 to denominator. Then what happened? The numerator will be half the denominator. Then denominator remains same. So we take the fraction x upon y, we increase 1 to both. Then denominator is numerator, that means the one we write up become half denominator. Okay, so denominator remains same. So y we cancel, this 2 we can bring down. So now we can cross multiply. 2 into x plus 1, y plus 1 into 1. So 2 into x, 2 into 1 there. Okay, then here in place of x we already have y minus 3, so we can replace there. So here in place of x we can put y minus 3, then plus 2 remain the same. 2 into y, 2 into 3, then plus 2 those. Y and y we bring together. This number which have no y, we can take it the other side. 6 minus 2 will be minus 4. We take it that side, will become plus 5. Then 2y minus y will be equal to y. Okay, so we get y equal 5. Replace in equation 1. Then x we will get 5 minus 3 equal 2. So the fraction is 2 upon 5. Then we get what the question 1.